Trying to sign into Windows and seeing something happened and your PIN isn't available, or maybe Windows Hello PIN currently unavailable. Some users also see sign-in errors like 0xc when Windows Hello stops working properly. Before you reset your PC or start following random registry tutorials online, there are several safe troubleshooting steps you should try first. In this video, I'll show you how to restore normal Windows sign-in using supported Windows 11 methods. So if you're on Windows sign-in screen, don't panic. Look for sign-in options, select it, and check whether you can use another method, like password, local account password, fingerprint, face recognition, or security key. Your Windows Hello PIN is not the same thing as your Microsoft account password. If the PIN is broken, your account may still be completely fine. Now, if Windows shows, "I forgot my PIN," click that option. This is Microsoft's supported PIN recovery process. You'll normally be asked to verify your identity using Microsoft account credentials. After verification, Windows may allow you to create a new PIN. This is usually the fastest and safest solution when the PIN itself becomes corrupted. Now for Microsoft account users, internet connectivity matters. If the PC is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, confirm that the connection is actually working. If possible, use another device and sign in to your Microsoft account. Verify that your password works, the account isn't locked, and two-factor authentication requests are working normally. Sometimes a Windows Hello issue is actually tied to account verification problems rather than the PIN itself. If you've successfully signed into Windows using another method, try recreating the PIN. Just open Settings, Accounts, then Sign-in Options, and find PIN. Depending on what Windows shows, you may see options to change PIN, remove it, or reset it. Remove or reset the PIN if available, then create a fresh Windows Hello PIN and test whether sign-in works normally afterwards. Many PIN-related problems are fixed at this stage. If normal PIN reset options fail, the Windows Hello data itself may be damaged. So, sometimes that data becomes corrupted after Windows updates, profile issues, or an uninterrupted setup process. Before attempting any advanced cleanup, make sure you have another working sign-in method. For example, account password, local admin account, or another admin profile. Do not rush into deleting Windows Hello data unless you fully understand the recovery path. The goal is to refresh the PIN system safely, not lock yourself out the computer. Now, Windows Hello relies heavily on the TPM, also known as the Trusted Platform Module. Just open Windows Security. Then, Device Security. Look for Security Processor. If Windows reports TPM-related issues, you can review the available troubleshooting options. The important warning I'm going to give you is clearing the TPM is an advanced troubleshooting step. It can affect security keys, BitLocker recovery, credential storage, and even authentication systems. Because of that, clearing TPM should not be your fix, and treat it as a later troubleshooting option after simple solutions has failed. Now, if PIN setup continues failing after multiple resets, the user profile itself may be damaged. One way to reset this is by creating a new local admin account. If Windows Hello works correctly in the new profile, the problem may be isolated to the original account profile. If the issue affects the entire system and nothing else works, Windows also provides Reset This PC using Keep My Files. This prevents personal files while reinstalling Windows components from disappearing. Use this as a last resort after exhausting the earlier troubleshooting steps. In most cases, the account itself is fine, the PIN system just needs to be repaired. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows troubleshooting tips.